Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Wolf and I'm the Program Director at the Findlay YMCA. Today for our activity, we are going to be making a homemade sugar scrub that you can use from simple items from your house. It's something that will exfoliate your skin and then also will hydrate your skin since we've all been washing our hands a lot lately and you might have like some dried or cracked skin. So before we begin making anything, I will show you what we are going to use. I have a spoon I'm going to use, a little container to make the scrub in. I have some sugar, a measuring cup, coconut oil, and then a little jar to put my final product into. To make the sugar scrub, it's really just these two ingredients that you'll need. You will just need some sugar and coconut oil to mix together in a bowl, and then you'll have your sugar scrub. To make it a little bit more scented, if you wanted it to have a scent to it, you could add some sort of zest to it too, like a lemon zest or an orange zest to make your homemade sugar scrub. I first added my coconut oil, and I added 1/3 cup of that, and then you want to soften it up a little bit if it's not already soft, just so that it'll mix a little bit easier with the sugar. And then for our sugar, you want to add double the amount of coconut oil. So since I added 1/3 cup of coconut oil, I'm going to add 2/3 cups of sugar. So I'll do that now. Once you have your sugar added to your bowl, then you will begin mixing it with your spoon. Once you finish stirring up your oil and the sugar, it should look something like this. And then you can take your jar and you can scoop it into your jar to keep it fresh in here. Once you have your sugar, homemade sugar scrub all scooped into your jar, it is ready to be used at home. Thank you so much for watching our videos and stay tuned to our Facebook page for more.